Hi guys, it's Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with another idea for the Crochet Life Hack series. And this one is for those of you who have lots of plastic bags. And by plastic bags, I mean like the little ones you get from the grocery store. Now here in New York State, we cannot use plastic bags anymore. I mean, we can use them if we have them, but you can't really get them at the store anymore. Everything is paper now so that we can easily recycle it. So I'm cool with that. But for those of you who are still using plastic bags and reusing them, good job for reusing them if you have them. This is a great way to store them. So this is called Fishy, the Plastic Bag Keeper, and it is a pattern by Sharon Marr. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this pattern. It's another one that can be found on Ravelry, and we'll just take a look at it together to see what you would need to make it and how hard it is. All right, and in the meantime, I'm going to be taking screenshots so I can show you what I'm looking at. So Fishy the Plastic Bag Keeper is a free, woohoo, gotta love free Ravelry download. So thank you, Sharon, for making this a free pattern. This does use a DK weight yarn. And let's see how Sharon rates this as far as difficulty goes, if she does at all. Okay, so it says average difficulty. Not sure what that means, average difficulty. I'll see if I can get more clarification here. You are gonna need a stitch marker, 4mm crochet hook. You're gonna need a couple of buttons in beige and a couple of buttons in blue, which, oh, I see that on the eyes. That's really, really cute. I love that. I'm gonna make it bigger so that I can share it with you. I love how they made those eyes, or she made those eyes. That's really, really cute. It uses this really cute zigzag pattern too, which I really like a lot as well. Okay, stuff your grocery bags into his tail and watch his belly grow. Remove them through his mouth and watch him shrink back down again. So that's really cute. All right, she used cotton 8-ply yarn by Bendigo Woolen Mills. I'm really not showing anything here for difficulty rating other than it just says average difficulty. So, but it doesn't really look super hard to me, especially if you've done any kind of crocheting in the round. It doesn't look too bad at all. All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this pattern. Is this something that you'd ever consider making? And do you live in a state where you're still allowed to use and get plastic bags from the grocery store? Because if you are, this would really come in handy. So if you're interested in trying it out, of course, as I always say, go ahead and link in that description box below. Click on it. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Then just find the picture of little Mr. Fishy here. Click on him and it's going to take you right to this Ravelry. There's no ads. There's no jumping around in different people's blogs where you have to scroll and scroll and scroll and you fall down that terrible rabbit hole. There's none of that. None of that. I hate that. I want you to not have to deal with it. Okay, yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. All right, until tomorrow's fabulous idea, and we're coming through to the end, man. We're getting close here. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.